say a business owner has some business property and that's been depreciated over time. How is that taken into account?
Sure. So depending on what kind of policy you have, the depreciation is either paid to you or not paid to you. So under a replacement cost value policy, which we call an RCV policy, you are due whatever depreciation on that item is if you go out to replace the item. Under an actual cash value policy, an ACV policy, you are not due that amount. So it does depend on your policy. We litigate all the time over what the reasonable depreciation ought to be because, as you might imagine, the insurance companies typically want to withhold an enormous amount of depreciation. And then if you have an ACV policy, not pay it to you at all. And if you've got an RCV policy, pay it to you, but only after you go out and replace the item. You can see the obvious difficulty there, where if we're talking about millions of dollars of stuff, there may not be the money to go out and get it replaced until you actually receive the money. So it's difficult, but we do have those two types of policies. And that is an area that's ripe for dispute. And we have disputes over it all the time on what the proper amount of depreciation should